Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you how I make my Nigerian puff puff. I'll also be sharing a cocoa banana popsicle recipe with you. So if you're looking for a straightforward recipe that you can use for your next puff puff, keep watching this video. So first you have to sift your flour, then you add your sugar and your cinnamon and combine them all together. Next, you add in your yeast. I achieved this by adding 2 tablespoons of yeast to half cup of water, then little sugar, and kept it in a warm area. And the warmest place in my house was inside my oven, so I left it there for it to proof. Then you add it to your flour mix and mix everything up together. Gradually adding water to get the consistency that you want. Just be careful so that you don't pour water inside your mix. After combining all the ingredients together, you put it inside a warm place again. Make sure you cover it and let it rise. You will notice that after 45 minutes or 1 hour, it multiplies in size. This is what you have. So it's time for us to fry our puff puff. Now it's time to make our cocoa banana popsicle. Trust me, your kids will love this and you will also enjoy it too. Keep watching, it's quite straightforward to make. Let me know what you think about this popsicle recipe in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.